Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I partnered up with my Mini Macaron to show you guys their one-step gel system. And they sent over this kit. It looks like this, and this has everything you need to do gel mani. So it has your 3-in-1 gel nail polish, your LED lamp, 10 removable pads, a cuticle stick, and a nail file. But you guys, my favorite part about this, look at the LED lamp. You guys, is this not the cutest thing ever? It looks like a little Mini Macaron. Like, I seriously love this. And you just like put your finger in there and cure it. So we're gonna just test this out. I'm gonna do a tutorial, show you how to remove it, and then just give you like my overall thoughts of everything. So yeah, let's just get right to the video. Okay, so the gel manicure kit that I have is in the color Fairy Floss, and this is actually one of their newer shades. It's like a light pink color, and they have it where whatever your gel nail polish color is, that's the same color your lamp is gonna be. And I seriously love that they match it like that. So that's why my lamp is pink. But on the back of it is where you'll find where you plug it in at, and you can plug this into a portable charger, your laptop, the wall. And I actually ended up putting it in this adapter thing that my laptop has, so the setup was super easy to do. And guys, I didn't even realize this at first, but the top of it is magnetic, so you can actually flip it around and cure your toes. Like, what? But anyways, the kit is also going to come with removal pads, and it has 10 in the kit, but they also have a separate kit you can buy that has 100 removal pads in it that looks like this. And then the kit will also come with a nail file, a cuticle pusher, and directions, because we love knowing what we're doing. And then lastly, you're gonna get your gel nail polish. And this is a 3-in-1 gel nail polish, so you don't need a base coat, you don't need a top coat, it's just a one-step gel. And these are actually a lot easier to work with if you're a beginner or if you just want to save time when you're doing gel nails. Okay, I feel like I just talked a lot, so let's finally get into the gel application. So before you put anything on, you need to prep your nails, and you're gonna start by pushing your cuticles back, and then you're gonna file the tops of your nails and also shape your nails if you need to shape them. And when you're going and filing on top, you wanna make sure you're just doing this very lightly. You don't wanna go crazy on this, but this step is super important just to make sure your gel would adhere better to your nails. And then after that, I'm just taking a makeup sponge and rubbing alcohol and wiping it on my nails. And this is gonna get all that little dust off and then also dehydrate my nails. And if you don't have rubbing alcohol, you can also use nail polish remover or acetone to do this. And then after that, you can go in with your gel color, and you wanna make sure you're keeping your coats thin. And if you get anything on your skin, or if you mess up anything, you want to make sure you fix that before you go to cure your nail, because after you cure it, it's just going to be harder to get off. So then after that first coat, I'm just going to cure that in my little macaron, and this light will cure for 30 seconds, and then after that you can move on to your next coat. And you do want to make sure after you polish your nail that you're capping your free edge. So basically you take your brush and then slide it along the edge of your nails like I'm doing right here, and this will help your mani last longer. And then after that, I'm just going to apply one more coat, and the amount of coat you're using is really going to depend on you. So whatever color you're using, how long your nails are, and just how you polish your nail. But the nice thing is, after you cure it, you're not going to have that tacky layer. So once you're done, like, you're done. So this is the finished look. I seriously love this color, you guys. Like, you already know how much I love pink. But they actually sent me over this matte top coat, so I want to try that out for you guys. So I'm starting off with just one nail, just so you guys can see the difference between no top coat versus the matte top coat. And then you just apply it like you would any other top coat, and then once you cure it, you're gonna see that matte finish. And after I did that one nail, I went ahead and put the matte top coat on all of my nails, and I actually think I like that finish better. Are we surprised? I know, but I just love that matte look. Like, that looks so good. So now on to the removal. You're basically going to start by filing your nail, and you want to file off that top layer, but it's really one of those things where it's like, the more you file, the less you soak, so it's kind of up to you. I personally just file a little bit, and then I'm using the removal pads, and you're basically going to rip it where it says tear here, and then stick your finger in it, and then on the back, they actually have this sticker that you remove, and it allows you to basically stick it to the sides of it. This is hard to explain, just watch what I'm doing. You can like crumple it so no air gets in it, and it's like sticks to itself. And I've never seen anything like this before, so I thought this was really cool. And so I just applied that to all my fingers. And then they also sent over some removal clips, and basically you can put these over the removal pads to hold them in place. And I actually really like these because, one, they're super cute, and two, you can really adjust them to your actual finger so you don't have to worry about them falling off or anything. So this is just me demonstrating putting it on, but then I put it on my actual nails. and I let that soak for probably around 15 minutes, and you can see it started to come off, but I gave it a little more time, and then I went ahead and used my cuticle stick that came in the kit and started just wiping it off. And then once I got it off, this is what my nails look like. You can see they're crusty, but you know, they're not damaged. So moving on, I got another color. And I actually asked them for this color because I wanted a color that was good for fall and winter. And you guys, oh, this did not disappoint. This is Black Sesame, and this color is gorgeous. And I didn't show this, but I did go ahead and prep my nails again after I removed the pink. But again, this color, you guys, like, I'm normally not the one to like go for painting my nails blue, but this is, it's like bright without being too bright at the same time. Does it make sense? I don't know. But I'm not kidding. This was the fastest gel mani I've ever done, and I really didn't want to take it off, but I wanted to see the removal on this. And this removal was quick. I filed again and then soaked for 15 minutes, and that's all it needed. It started popping off. And then after that, I did finish off with some cuticle oil, which I like to do after I remove any kind of gel. So overall, first off, you guys already know I love the packaging and theme and everything, but the biggest thing for me is the portability of it, because the lamp is tiny and you don't have to plug it in, and then you also just need the one-step gel. So I feel like you can seriously take this anywhere, like a hotel, or if you're traveling, or possibly you could probably take this in the car. So that's a huge thing. And then also I feel like this is a good kit if you're a beginner to gel, because again, you don't really need much to it. So you just prep and paint, and they have the instructions and everything, so it could be a good option for you. And this kit is $35, and then the individual gel polishes are $11.99, but I have a coupon code for you guys, so you can use code LMM Gabby10 for 10% off. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Mini Macaron, if you want to try it or if you have already, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.